Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "We should have a state in which we could live and breathe as free men, and which we could develop according to our own lights and culture, and where principles of Islamic social justice could find free play." Address to civil, naval, military and air force officers of Pakistan government, Karachi, October 11, 1947. About founder of Pakistan. Born the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi. Died the 11th of September 1948 in Karachi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan, and also first Governor General of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.